Good key core with a spring plate popping out. Lock hole with a lower edge to block the spring plate. Lock hole inside view. Use a key to push the spring plate inward the lock core until it goes off the lock hole edge, then use a finger to press the end of the lock core out. Check the core spring plate. Use a key or finger to press it in and release it to let it pop out. Use your left hand to hold the lock core at a cover lock hole entry. Locate a point of the lock hole with a wider diameter, and then use your right hand to insert a key or flat screwdriver tip into that wider space against the spring plate of that lock core. Push the lock core to let it slide into the lock hole. Check the spring plate of the lock core popping out to the lower edge of the lock hole from the inside. Then, use the key to turn the lock left and right at 90 degrees. Make sure the lock core stays in the hole and won't slide out.